Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create presentation on MobiOffice. So if you also want to create presentation on MobiOffice, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So in MobiOffice application, you'll be able to create presentation very easily. For doing that, first of all, what you have to do is launch upon MobiOffice application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the official home interface of MobiOffice. So in order to create the presentation, what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see your account. Also, you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options for create document, open, scan, messages, settings, etc. Simply tap on the option create document that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to create new documents. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for document, spreadsheet, presentation, PDF, etc. What you have to do is find the option for presentation. Once you find it, right next to it, you'll be able to find the option for view all. Now over here, you'll be able to view all the templates of presentation. You can also start creating the blank presentation if you want, or you can also choose any template of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this template. Now after that, you can see over here that particular template will be opened. Now you'll be able to create the presentation for yourself. If you choose the template, creating the presentation will be much more easier. You can see over here there are certain slides in this presentation. You can add new slide, you can also delete the slide if you want. At top, you'll be able to find the option for new slide and delete slide. If you want to add the new slide, simply tap on the option new slide. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find the slide layout. You can tap on any slide of your choice. After that, you can see over here the new slide will be added. Likewise, you can also delete the slide if you want. Simply tap on the option delete slide. Now after that, the slide will be deleted. Also, you'll be able to find several options over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for home. Simply tap on it. Now after that, you'll be able to find several options like file, home, insert, draw, design, transitions, slideshow, review, view, etc. You can explore these features on your own. They are very simple. If you want to insert something, simply tap on the option insert. After that, you'll be able to find several options like new slide, table, picture, video, audio, shape, text, link, tab, line break, etc. You can tap on any option of your choice. So if you've chosen the template, in this slide you'll be able to see the text. You can edit the text by simply double tapping on it. You can see over here you'll be able to edit the text. Like this, you'll be able to create the presentation. Creating the presentation is quite easy. You can explore the amazing features and create the presentation for yourself. If you're done creating the presentation and if you want to save the presentation, simply tap on the save icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, the presentation will be saved. Like this, you'll be able to create the presentation. So that is how you create presentation on MobiOffice. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.